Nature, the ultimate guide to natural beauty with avocado. Welcome to Avora Nature, where true beauty begins with the power of pure natural ingredients. In this complete guide, we will explore everything you need to know about avocado-based skincare and healthcare for hair, from the inspiring journey of our founders to the science behind our formulas, expert insights, practical demonstrations, and real customer transformations. This is your all-in-one resource to unlock natural beauty, safety, and sustainability. So grab a notebook because this is your ultimate guide to natural beauty with Avora Nature, the story behind the founder journey. For years, our founders struggled with sensitive skin and fragile hair caused by chemical-heavy products. Their search for a real natural solution led them to avocado, an ingredient valued for centuries in traditional cultures. The mission to make effective, eco-friendly self-care accessible for everyone. The vision, a world where self-care and environmental care go hand in hand. Why avocado? It is being used by the Mayans and Incas for centuries. Avocado has a rich tradition in healing and nourishment. Today, modern science confirms its benefits. The benefits contain essential fatty acids like acid deeply hydrate, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, regenerate cells and protect with antioxidants. It reduces inflammation and strengthens skin defenses. Expert insights. A nutritionist explains avocado oil closely resembles the natural lipids of our skin, which means it absorbs exceptionally well. The dermatologist adds clinical studies show that it significantly improves the skin barrier. Number 1. The cold pressing. Every drop of our avocado oil is extracted using first cold pressing. This preserves delicate antioxidants and vitamins that would otherwise be destroyed by heat. Number 2. Clinical and dermatologic testing. 84% increase in skin hydration after 4 weeks. 67% reduction in scalp itchiness. 92% of participants reported shinier, stronger hair, and results supported by peer-reviewed studies from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatological and the International Journal of Triology. Number 3. Product categories. Avocado shampoo and conditioner, sulfate-free with keratin for hair cultural repair. The avocado skin cream, enriched with acid, fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin. Baby and family line, ultra mild, colorant-free and safe for newborns. Voice of the experts. A cosmetic chemics notes or formulation combine effectiveness with gentleness without silicones or unnecessary fillers. Number 3. How to use nature products. The avocado shampoo and conditioner, truly through wet hair or wet hair. Apply avocado shampoo, massaging gently into the use lukewarm water, not hot, to protect natural oils. All allowed to sit for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Apply to midlands and ends. Leave for 1 minute, then rinse with cool water for shine. The avocado skin cream. The morning routine, cleanse alternational tone. Apply a thin layer of cream using upward motions. Evening routine, double cleanse. Apply a slightly thicker layer as an overnight mask. Baby and family line. After bathing, gently pat skin dry and apply cream generously to keep the skin soft and hydrated. Biochemical deep dive, restoring the skin barrier. Avocado oil replenishes ceramides and fatty acids in the lipid binder, repairing damage and improving resilience. The hair and scalp health. Acid softens the scalp, reducing breakage while providing antioxidant protection against UV and pollution. Frequently asked questions. Is nature safe for eczema? The answer, yes. Our formulas are dermatological tested for sensitive skin. How fast will I see results? Many users report visible improvements within 2 weeks. Can it be combined with prescribed treatments? Always consult your dermatologist, but our products are designed to complement most everything. Real customer transformations. Leila's hair recovery. Leila is 34, struggled with brittle, lifeless hair. After 6 weeks with Avora Nature, her hair became stronger, shinier, and healthier. Karen's baby story: daughter had a chronic dry patches. Within 2 weeks of using the baby and family line, her skin was restored, soft, smooth, and free from redness. Social media highlights: customers worldwide share their experiences. Tag your journey with Avora with hashtag Avora Nature for a change to be future. So tag your journey, use hashtag Avora Nature, and you will get a chance to be future. Practical tips and DIY beauty hacks. Avocado and honey face mask. A half a ripe avocado and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Overnight hair mask. 1 avocado blended with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply to midlands and ends. Wrap in silk overnight and wash out in the morning. Storage tips: keep Avora Nature products in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to preserve their natural integrity. Sustainability and lifestyle support: we believe beauty should never come at the cost of the planet. That's why we launched a refill program. We turn empty bottles for 10% of your next purchase. We also collaborate with local recycling centers to close the loop and reduce waste. Beyond skincare, remember that lifestyle matters. Hydration, balanced nutrition, quality sleep, and stress management all play a role in your skin and hair health. Avora Nature supports your natural lifestyle inside and out. The closing and the call to action: this concludes your complete guide to avocado, powered by beauty by or with Avora Nature. From science and tradition to real life transformations, we hope you feel inspired to begin your own natural journey today. Visit avoranature.com to explore our full collection, and don't forget to use code AvoraNature10 at checkout for 10% off your first order. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into natural self-care. And as always, stay natural, stay Avora,